Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us learn how to display line numbers in Primavera P6. While reviewing the schedule with your colleagues or while comparing the versions of your schedules, we generally do this by referring to the activity IDs. But using of line numbers will definitely save lot of your time. So friends, let us see how we can display the line numbers in Primavera P6 now. So this is our sample schedule in the Primavera, which is very long and complex. You can see the activity IDs which are even longer. Now we want to insert a column with line numbers so that our colleagues can easily refer for any activity that we talk about while reviewing. To include the line number tool in the tool layout group, click on this arrow down on the tools layout group and click on this add or remove buttons. A drop down menu then appears. Select line numbers option here. Immediately you can see the hash symbol in the tools layout section like this. Now click on this hash symbol and you can see the line numbers displaying as the first column like this in the schedule table. Now you can easily reference to this while reviewing the schedule with any of your colleagues. So friends, in this way, you can display the line numbers in Primavera P6. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.